Hi and welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do a review of a slightly different type of puzzle slash game. I recently saw this online among a few other games that I'm going to make videos about as well, and it really caught my attention. I really like it, and I realize it's a bit of a child game, but first thing to note is some of the challenges here could be quite challenging as far as I understand. I haven't done them all yet, or many of them yet. I've only done a few and watched some videos about it before I ordered it. And there's something about this game that I don't know, I just see it and puts me in a good mood. So I decided, why not? Why not get it? It's a nice puzzle, compact, and what you see here is everything that comes here. And so where to begin? So basically you have 4 holes here in this plate, and then you have these pieces here that you could put in different spots. So for instance, let's say like this and like this, and then you have one stationary piece like this, so it could be put somewhere, let's say over one of the holes if you want to cover them. And then you have 5 of these nuts like this, and the idea is to place them into these slots. And this booklet gives you a number of challenges in different levels, and then you have to move it around. So for instance, if I move this like this, the nut goes in the hole and here it goes in, and it's positioned in a way where it's, you have to figure out how to move it around to get everything in. And it's pretty fun. I'm gonna try to do a few challenges now. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's try challenge number 5. Okay, so the board is positioned. You can see a Smart Games logo is facing us here on the bottom. Okay, so we need this piece right here. And you can see based on the color of the flowers and squirrel that it's this piece and the shape. So we place it like this, and then this piece goes here, and then this flower is going to cover this hole. And so we put the nut here, we put one here. So this is challenge number 5. We have to figure out how do we move these around to get everything into the holes they need to go in. Okay, so we have a hole underneath this squirrel, and we have here and here. So let's think. So this nut definitely cannot go into this hole. It could only go into here or here. And this one basically, if we move this piece, the only way we could move it is we could slide it that way. And so by default, this nut must go into that hole because there's no other way we could move it. And we can't really move this. Well, if we move this piece, no matter how we move it, we're still gonna have to move this up. So by default, we move it and the nut goes in here. And since we know this nut cannot go here because of the position, so we have to move this out and get this nut somehow to go there. So let's see. So if we move this out like this, move this down, and slide this like this. If we just bring it up, it's not going to go far enough. So first, we're going to bring this down. I'm going to move this over here, and then we can slide this here, and the nut goes in. And that's pretty much the idea of how these challenges work. Now this was number 5, so it's from one of the starters levels. Then you have Junior, you have Expert, and you have Wizard, which I assume are going to get very difficult. And so it comes with everything you see here in this plastic cover that you can put on top to cover it up. Really nice puzzle by Smart Games. What else can I say? Really enjoying it. And yeah, so that'll be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and until next time.